Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this we're going to compare the Miui 12.5 versus Realme UI 3.0 regarding the always on display features side by side comparison. This is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to compare this kind of always on display features. So right now I'm trying to use the Realme UI 3.0 in the Realme GT device, so which I did install the early version, as you can see, early access update in this Realme GT device, as you can clearly see. Friends, let's see what are the features and what are the tips and tricks which I actually give you on the Realme UI 3.0 and on the MIUI 12.5. So which is kind of best. So what are the things I did like in the MIUI and what are the things I did like in the Realme UI 3.0? That's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. So first let's explore the one by one option, friends. So first thing is that enable and disable the always on display, and next is you do have the option display items as well in both phones. So first option, you do have the for 10 seconds after tapping the screen you can actually get that kind of always on display, or always you can keep it complete all day. And third option is to schedule the time, what time you want, and turn off when battery saver is on. You can actually enable or disable this option. And next thing in the Realme UI 3.0, we do have the power saving mode and schedule mode and all day on. As you can see, exactly these are the options which you're having. So they're slightly different, but I did like this kind of option which says for 10 seconds after tapping. That's kind of good thing. So that's the one thing which I did like in the MIUI 12.5. And next thing is about the info, which is kind of another good thing which is present in the Realme UI 3.0, where if you want to disable or enable any kind of battery option, for example, if you don't want to see any kind of battery, or maybe if you want to disable the notification, I don't think notification anyone will be disabled, but if you want to not have the date or time, in case if you don't want to have them, you can actually disable them as well. That's also option available at this moment. So right now the time is not going off, maybe because of early access update. That might be another issue. That's also option available in the Realme UI 3.0. Next thing, we do have the your own themes. So your own themes, and your recently added the always on display themes, which you can actually store here. As you can see, all this recently did add them. And same thing applies for the MIUI 12.5 as well. You can actually see the recently added themes as well in this option. That's also available. And now next is personalized. So this is really unique option which is present in the Realme UI 3.0. So which is one of the far best when compared with the MIUI 12.5. I'll try to explain you why I did mention. The first thing which I did like is this kind of portrait mode, where you can actually create the portrait mode always on display as well. That's very good, which has been also found in other, I think, OnePlus UI, I think Oxygen UI. That's how we came to know about this kind of interface. As you can see, always on display portrait, which looks fantastic, friends. You can actually add your own image and you can actually create this kind of portrait mode style of always on display. So this is actual image and this is how it looks, and as you can see, which looks also fantastic if you try to use this kind of method. That's my another favorite thing. And next thing is about the text and image. You can actually add the text and image both together. That's also our option available like this. As you can see, I did add my image and you can actually add the text as well. So I take it in this way, you'll be able to add it. That's also option available. And next thing is about the normal text is also available. You can actually write your own text. That's also not an issue in terms of writing the text, changing the colors and creating the patterns. You can actually create your own patterns and draw your own names as well. So that's how I did drew my name, as you can see, Sai. So in this way you'll be able to create this kind of custom own patterns. With this kind of, you can actually have unlimited always on display features in this Realme UI 3.0. unlimited. You can draw your own pattern. As you can see, different pattern. You can change your brush style and you can change the shape, what type of shape you want. If you want straight line, you can try to choose a straight line and draw the symbol. As you can see, high. In this way you can change the different painting brush styles and thickness of that one as well. You can actually change, as you can see, thickness of it got change. So which looks fantastic, friends, in case if you want to have this kind of colors and everything. So these are the things about the drawing patterns. And in the MIUI 12.5, we do have the first thing is about the signature, where you can actually add the other text and everything. And we do have different files, different styles of adding the signature text, as you can clearly see, 5 different. And next is analog clocks. We do have the 5 analog clocks, and out of those, I think few of them are live wallpapers. I think live similarly like this. As you can see, exactly this is how it will be simulated. Not bad. And you'll be able to see on the top which are live and which are not live. That's how it will be there. As you can see, whenever you lock the screen. And next is about the kaleidoscope option is also available. These are the other few things, but only one thing is that you cannot create like unlimited possibilities is not there in this MIUI 12.5 at this moment. I mean, regarding the text and everything can create unlimited possibilities and adding the image, but regarding this one, it's really cool to have this custom owned patterns. This is really next level. So they should definitely implement in the MIUI very soon. This is my favorite, and another favorite is a portrait right now, which I'm using. Even the Realme UI 3.0 also has got the digital clocks of 15 digital clocks. Even though I think MIUI also has got digital clocks up to 7 digital clocks, 7 different styles, and 15 different styles of digital clock. As you can see, this also looks cool. You can change the colors also, all the colors. As you can see, friends, that's also fantastic having this kind of always on display, not bad. And analog clocks, you're having 10 analog clocks, so many analog clocks, as you can see, 10. In the MIUI 12.5 we do have only 5 analog clocks. As you can see, from different possibilities. So overall the options are really good in the Realme UI at this moment, which got integrated a lot of upgrade when compared with the previous one. That's fantastic, friends. Even there is some kind of live is going on at this moment. You can see, not bad. As you can see, friends, clearly, which looks also really good having this kind of visual effects. And that's it, friends. It's a quick comparison between both phones. Overall both phones were really good, but UIs were good. So MIUI need to add that kind of custom owned patterns. That will be really good if they add it. That's one advice which I can definitely give for the Realme at this moment. And there are plenty of other options also you can actually download from the theme store in case if you want them to use. There are a lot of options available, as you can see, so many. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.